AVID to me is like family because there's a lot of communication and they all help me and we get to do fun activities. My name is Ethan Gonzalez. I go to Woodland Park Middle School and I'm in 7th grade. AVID has helped me communicate like a scholar. It's helped me a lot with my grades and my GPA score. I did better in the class and I felt proud of myself. AVID helps you to get a better gist of what there is available to you, and it really helps you to build more confidence. It has also impacted my life because I get better grades and I'm more organized. My AVID experience has made me more confident. Shout out to my mom, Adam Levine, and my teacher. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed with an abundance amount of schoolwork that I haven't completed. Helping my mom with chores, going to baseball practice, studying for assessments, drama with my friends. I could share details, but it's better not to tell the public. This is the life of a middle school student. Hello, my name is Ethan Gonzalez. I attend Woodland Park Middle School and I am currently an AVID Excel student. AVID Excel is for people. AVID Excel is for people who speak more than one language. It teaches critical reading skills and vocabulary development. One day, I was at my cousin's house and I was sharing with him how frustrating math was. And when he asked me to show him my math work, I opened my backpack and papers spilled everywhere. He said to me, "Bruh, why are you unorganized?" And that's when he told me about AVID, how it helps with your organization and study habits. And that's why I joined. I also knew Miss Latch from my ELD class, who also teaches AVID. She is an amazing teacher. She helps all her students in any way, making her a cool teacher. Miss Latch has motivated me to do better in school. She makes me feel like I could be someone big in the future. When you have a teacher like Miss Latch, she'll make you see school differently and make learning more exciting. I know I'm not the only one who agrees Miss Latch should be Teacher of the Year. My grades were not good. My parents were getting mad about it. After help from AVID tutors, my math grade got better. I realized that AVID prepares me for high school and the requirements to enter certain colleges, universities, and trade schools. We also go on field trips to tour colleges to get a sense of what it looks like and what to expect. I recall going to Maricosta College, where I saw 3D printers and what they make in their architecture program. I also saw how doctors and nurses treat their patients in the medical program. Afterwards, we went to Mulberry Park, and there we had Kona ice and I played soccer with my friends. Having these field trips makes college a little less scary. When we were at the university, I feel more prepared and excited that one day I can be there just like Miss Latch tells me. When I get into college, I also want to help future AVID students. When I volunteer in AVID, I know it makes me a better person. I learn about the importance of helping others. Students can volunteer for community service. I pick up litter around campus, I made placemats for Thanksgiving dinner at Father's Joe's Village, and other AVID community events. I also learned what I need to know about working, and each day the world is changing and having a job is important. It is great because college can be expensive depending on your career choice. As if now I would like to own my own DJ business. My experience with AVID has had a big impact on the way I see school now. It's less stressful and harder. I still struggle sometimes, but being an AVID scholar, I keep improving day by day. I have to thank Ms. Latch and the tutors for that. Being an AVID has also helped me build my confidence. My grades have moved up, and I can ask for help with no problem of being shy. AVID has also taught me many new skills. For example, how to write better emails, also how to focus on note-taking and academic language. The most important skill AVID has taught me is to be more organized and neat, which helped not only me, but also my mom. Do you ask how it's also helped my mom? My room is clean and organized, and I no longer have to hear, "Ethan, clean your room." I have full grown with my life experience with AVID. It has influenced me to keep going, not to give up, and always try something new. As I keep growing and learning, I will always advocate for AVID and Miss Latch. I want to thank my family and Miss Latch for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to succeed in life. Especially my mom, who has been through so much in life. She is a fighter who never gives up. She fought cancer during COVID-19, and she still cooks, cleans, and helps me with my homework. If she is able to do all that while fighting cancer, there is nothing in the world that can stop me from succeeding. I will be able to do anything in this world. Thank you, Mom. You are my inspiration. Overall, I will always recommend AVID because it has been life-changing and has helped me tremendously. Thank you for your time.
Will you come on over here? Great job. I mean, like, bruh, you're cooking. I think that's what the middle schoolers say, right? Is that it? Yeah, sweet. Your mom and Mrs. Latch sound pretty awesome.
Yeah, they are.
They are. Here, lift that up just a little bit. There you go. Now, are they here today?
Yes, they are.
Do you think we should ask them to stand up?
Yes.
Where are they? Can you point to them? Mrs. Latch and your mom and your family, can we have them stand up? Now, while we have them standing, Mrs. Latch, you gotta stay up. Family, we gotta stand up too. You've got a captive audience right now. Do you wanna say anything to them?
I want to thank Ms. Latch for motivating me and really encouraged me to do better in school. And I want to thank her to also helping my homework. And I really want to thank my family for encouraging me. And really want to thank my mom, who's been through so much in her life, and she still helps me.
Yeah, thank you. Stay up here. You stay here. Oh. Well, I'm gonna need tissues now from them, but you gotta stay with me for a second because I can't do this by myself. So, Ethan, thank you. Thank you for representing all of the AVID Excel students out there and giving them a voice. Thank you. Can we hear it for Ethan again? Stay here. So, we've heard from Ethan, who's getting ready to go up into high school. We've heard from Samantha, who just finished high school. I think it's time to hear from our AVID educator speaker, Rachel. So please help me welcome her as we learn a little bit more about her.